Hello, Sean. Paul here, and just wanted to show you we're working on getting your boat ready for the maintenance coats. So there's sanding occurring on it right now for maintenance coats, on the side that I thought was delaminating, perhaps. It's really what it is. It's been sanded through. Maybe head down there. Yeah, right here, that area, we can see some of the next layer of plywood down. You know, the wood grain on the next layer down is running this direction, and there's a beauty ply on top here, and that is running this direction, and that's been sanded throughout here on the edge. So what we're planning to do is just replace this plank with a solid piece. You'll never have to worry about, in any future refinishings, you'll never have to worry about sanding through the veneer again. We would just do that. As a matter of fact, on this other side, we have the same problem going on. So that's what we're planning on doing. I'll put you a little cost together on that and let you know what's coming. But I think that's the best method for handling this, because your plywood is different layers of veneer, not necessarily even beauty veneer, and you have different layers of veneer that are and each layer is the grain of the veneer is running a different direction. So, and that's what gives plywood its strength and dimensional stability and all of that. But the unfortunate thing about plywood in this case is you can sand through and start to see, like right in here, start to see grain on the next layer, which is running the wrong direction. So I'll put that together, and you know what? It'll be a good time for me to finally get this estimate put together for replacing your Petaflute. And let me go ahead and show you what's going on with the interior, and everything's good. I mean, as far as what's going on, there's no surprises. Just want to show you that it's under production. It's being worked on, and get over there to the canvas work side, and here's your kick plate. That little notch right there is for your steering column. We have over here, I think she's got, yeah, here we go. We have the rear seat back done. All new vinyl, all new gold, and we have all new alligator. And then the seat bottom is right here. It's in process. It's not quite covered yet. We get to put the seat bottom on and pull those wrinkles out of the corner when we pull this down. See, this has not been pulled down to where it has to go yet. All that'll pull out, and so those are ready. And be getting those finished up this week probably. And then we have the bucket seats. We have those guys taken apart and ready to recover. It looks like we're going to have a little bit of painting work to do on the hinges. Those don't look real good. We have a rust transformer that will clean all the loose rust off, and we'll use the rust transformer and try to arrest that rust. But anyway, here's your seat backs and seat bottoms all ready to cover as soon as we get done with the front and rear seat backs. So that's in process. Let's see what else is. We have done the Oh, we need to polish a piece of hardware for you. We'll hand polish that, and we'll put some new chrome next to it just to show you the difference, if there is any difference. Once we hand polish them, we might not find a big difference. Let's see what else we got going on that I want to show you. We haven't started on the engine yet. We had an engine we were working on that fought back with us a little bit, so I'd say we'll be on the engine next week. It's out patiently waiting out on our pallet rack. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.